Okay, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to see a few important or different questions from the chapter Trigonometry, which are the questions that have been asked in the previous year board exams. So let us quickly have a look at what we are going to do. The first question reads as, just a minute, let me just copy the question for you. I hope you can see it. If 1 plus sine square theta is 3 sine theta cos theta, we need to prove that tan theta is either 1 or 1 by 2. Okay, is the question clear? The question again, I'll repeat. It says if 1 plus sine square theta is 3 sine theta cos theta, we need to prove that tan theta is either 1 or 1 by 2. Now, children, to look at the question, no, it's very important to understand what the question, the given part says and what is in the to prove that part. Now, in the given part, we have sine square, we have sine, and we have cos. And in the prove that part, we have tan. That means ultimately we need tan. The highest degree on this side is 2, which is with sine square. To change sine square to tan square, we need cos square in the denominator. So we start with solving by saying consider LHS. What is our LHS? We are given that 1 plus 1 plus sine square theta is 3 sine theta cos theta, which means if I need to change everything to tan, I need to divide each term by cos theta. We need cos to change sine to tan, but because we have sine square, we shall be dividing by cos square. So this becomes 1 by cos square theta plus sine square theta upon cos square theta, which is 3 sine theta cos theta upon cos square theta. So if I go to see, I have 1 upon cos square, which is sec square theta, sine square upon cos square, which is tan square theta, and this gives me 3 tan theta. Again, we know I don't want any other trigonometric ratio in this question, so we need everything in terms of tan. Now, sec square can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. The identity tells sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta minus 3 tan theta is equal to 0. We've transferred everything on one side. So now we have tan square plus tan square, which gives me 2 tan square minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is 0. This is of a form of a quadratic equation. We'll say for our ease, let's say that we assume that let us represent tan theta as x. So this equation now changes to 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, which is evidently a quadratic equation. And if we go to solve this further, we are going to get what? 2x square, I'll just rewrite it, minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We need 2 ones are 2. That means factors of 2, which on addition is going to give me 3 or minus 3, will be 2x square, correct? Minus 2x minus x plus 1 is 0. Take the first two terms together, we have 2x coming out common. We have an x minus 1. We have minus 1 common. X minus 1 is 0. X minus 1 times 2x minus 1 is 0. So what do we get? We get either x minus 1 is 0 or we get 2x minus 1 is 0. X is 1 or x is half. Resubstituting, what do we get? X was, what is x? X is here. What is x? If we see carefully, here, x is tan theta. So we get here tan theta is 1 or tan theta is 1 by 2. And that is what the answer is. What is the required answer? Very evidently, this is your required answer. I hope you all have understood this.